Hi, I'm Daniel Laddie. When properties are listed within the Nepean Shores complex, it's not hard to see why they are so popular. What a location, right down on the banks of the Nepean River, and the amenities available provide huge value. We take pleasure in showcasing this new opportunity. It's recently been built and it's in superb quality. If you're looking to change your lifestyle, you won't find any better. Contact me on the details below.